Hello, my name is Mrs. Day, and I teach chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter. So, in this class, your child will be learning about matter through 7 different units. We're going to study the classification of matter and atoms, and then we're going to move into electrons in the periodic table. And our other units include things like bonding and nomenclature, looking at stoichiometry and what we call formula math. We'll be studying the states of matter in detail. We'll be studying chemical reactions and how heat and other factors influence chemical reactions. So we have 7 units of study that follow a state curriculum. And at the end of that, they'll have a cumulative final exam. There's also a midterm in the middle of that. In addition to the 7 unit tests, and the midterm and the final, your child will be doing lots and lots of labs in this class. We've developed a series of what we call AK or Audrey Kell labs that our students do, and that allows them to experiment and explore some of the principles that we are learning in class in a very hands-on way. Chemistry has a ton of math in it, so your child may feel like this class is a bit of a math class, and that's very true. It's usually the first science that students take that is completely integrated with math. So if they struggle with math, they may find this class more challenging than their previous science classes. Chemistry is also cumulative. Every unit builds on the units that we've learned previously. So it's super important for your child to master each unit as we go. And if your child is struggling in chemistry, we have lots of helpful resources. I have built on the Canvas page for our course lots of helpful things like a study board with curated videos and practice activities that allow them to practice as we go through. There's a series of recorded lectures if they're out or if they need to listen to a lecture again that I've placed on Canvas. And in addition to that, in class, we do reading with reading questions to help them get context. We do problem sets to help them practice the integrated math and or skills that we're learning along with the concepts and principles. We do lots of explanations and activities that allow them to really interact with the material. I have tutoring that your child is welcome to attend Tuesdays or Thursdays until 2:45. If they're not available on those days, and like I said, they are able to access the Canvas course for those additional resources, then of course there's also time in class when we're working on things to ask questions and get help. I hope that your child is going to have a wonderful experience in chemistry this year. That is my deepest wish. And I definitely would love to hear from you if you ever want to check in or you have questions. You can email me at jenniferw.day@cms.k12.nc.us. That's jenniferw.day@cms.k12.nc.us. Would love to hear from you. If you ever want to schedule a time to meet, we can do that. Just contact me via email and we can set that up. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please reach out. And thank you so much for sharing your child with me.